Ladies and gentlemen, nice to meet you. We're Theos from China, and welcome to our factory. We're a company that mainly produces equipment and products of light sandwich panel and UHPC. Through continuous research, innovation, and practice, we've raised ourselves to a leading high level of the industry. Based on that, we never stopped improving ourselves. We're still working the best to production and finding the best solution for our customers. Today we're going to show you how our light sandwich panel are made and how the machine works. So let's get started. As you might see here, these are few rewards that we earned before. We're trustful. We used to cooperate with local governments, and we have been certified by national level. And we also have been participate in many national standard projects.
Firstly, this is our steam generator. The steam needed for the foaming process of our polystyrene particles is produced here. And then comes to the foaming part. These are our foaming beans. This is where our polystyrene particles were first foamed. This is where our polystyrene particles were secondly foamed. And then, all fully foamed polystyrene particles will be piped to the required work units. Next, all industrial raw materials are fully stirred and modeled here. The mixed raw materials are poured into the molding car, and this is the finished look.
And finally, we sincerely hope this cooperation can be reached. If you have any questions or there's any information you need, please let us know as soon as possible. We are Theos, and thank you for choosing us. We'll see you soon.